Hi everyone, welcome back to the Cocktail Vlog. I'm Steve the Bartender, and welcome to my new studio. And today I'm going to be making the Mr. Swizzle. Might be a little bit familiar because it was the winner of the 2020 Coffee Cocktail Challenge, which is on again this year for the 2021 version. So make sure you check out the link in the description below, and I'll link to my other video, which I run into all the details about how you can enter, what you can win, and the dates, the timelines, all that kind of information. So make sure you check it out. Head to coffeecocktail.com.au if you want some further information as well. So the Mr. Swizzle was the winner. He went through a few stages of the competition, and this is a fantastic cocktail. It's a tiki-fied version of a Mr. Black drink. Nathan Robinson was the creator, and he wanted to create something that was light and bright. He found that a lot of the Mr. Black cocktails was more decadent and creamier and rich cocktails. So he wanted to kind of turn it on its head and do something a little bit different to what everyone was expecting. This cocktail has kind of burnt sugar notes from the Demerara rum, and it's complemented with the coffee, the honey, and then some clove notes from the Velvet Falernum, which is a Falernum liqueur, essentially, specifically John D. Taylor's. So let's get on with the drink. And this is a Swizzle, so it's in a highball glass or a tiki glass. Lots of crushed ice. Add all of your ingredients and just give it a twizzle. I've actually got a metal swizzle stick. The swizzle stick, the original one is actually made from the twig of a branch. So if you've got one of those, cool, go right ahead. If you don't have a swizzle stick, use a spoon. Go right ahead. So you want to fill the glass, maybe not fill it, maybe 3/4 full, and that way you can always add some more crushed ice afterwards. Otherwise, if you fill it to the top, you might go over the... So, ingredients. Nathan used Hamilton 86 as his Demerara rum of choice. Unfortunately, it's not available here in Australia, but Dorado 15 was one of his other recommendations. So 45ml, 1.5 ounce of Demerara rum, then 22.5ml, 3/4 ounce of Mr. Black cold brew coffee liqueur. Add that straight in. And then follow that with 15ml, half an ounce of Velvet Falernum. Next ingredient is honey syrup, a 2-to-1 ratio, so 2 parts honey to 1 part water. 15ml, half an ounce. I'm excited to try this again. It's been a while since I had this. And then we've got fresh lemon juice, 15ml, half an ounce, which is roughly half a lemon. Obviously, it depends on the size of your lemon. And then 2 dashes of orange bitters. He specifically called for 1 dash of Regans and 1 dash of Fee Brothers. I feel this swizzle stick is a little bit rough, being a metal swizzler. I feel like I could potentially break my glass, but give it a swizzle until the side of the glass starts to frost. Might actually add a little bit more crushed ice to this one. Starting to see some frost on the side of the glass, which is a great sign. This packs a punch. It feels like a weapon. So top with more crushed ice. Pile it on the top if you like. And it's a nice simple garnish. I love simple garnishes. Slice of lemon and a straw. Finish with a Surfside Sips. Don't forget your coupon code STB20 for 20% off your glass borosilicate straws. There you have a Mr. Swizzle. Cheers. Thanks, Nathan. That's why it won last year's challenge. If you guys are looking for inspiration for cocktails for the Coffee Cocktail Challenge for 2021, make sure you check out coffeecocktails.com.au. I must mention, coffeecocktails.com.au was the domain for last year's challenge. The new domain is coffeecocktail.com.au. So I'll make sure I leave both links in the description below, but you can look at the old website from last year for inspiration for drinks, see what people have entered, maybe give you some ideas for this year's challenge. But this is a delicious drink. If you make this at home, please make sure you tag me on Instagram and share it on your socials. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.